Welcome to our channel. Today we how to scale your study abroad research with Cappex easy tutorial step by step clearly. Begin by navigating to the Cappex website. If you don't have an account, click on the sign up button to create one. Fill in the required information to set up your profile. Once you're logged in, go to the Study Abroad section. Here, you can explore various universities and programs suited for your preferences. Utilize the search bar to filter options based on location, major, and budget. Take advantage of the interactive map feature to visually see your choices. When you find a program that interests you, click on it for more details. Read through the program description, entry requirements, and tuition fees. Make a list of any questions you have regarding the program. Next, check reviews from other students to gain insights from their experiences. You can also join Cappex's community forums to connect with other students. Post your questions there to receive feedback from those who have first-hand experience. If you're interested in scholarships, navigate to the scholarship section on Cappex. Search for scholarships specifically related to study abroad programs. Narrow your search by filtering for eligibility criteria and deadlines. Once you identify potential scholarships, note down their details and application requirements. Consider using the Saved Program feature to bookmark options for future reference. Create a spreadsheet or document to organize the information you've gathered. Include columns for deadlines, requirements, and contact information for each program. As you proceed, keep track of your application progress for each selected program. If you need additional resources, explore Cappex's blog for tips on studying abroad. Stay updated with any webinars or online events that focus on study abroad opportunities. By utilizing these tools on Cappex, you can efficiently scale your study abroad research. Remember, planning thoroughly will enhance your chances of finding the right program. Good luck with your study abroad journey. If the page does not load, refresh the browser or try again in a private or incognito window. Make sure you are using the correct email address, then retype it carefully to avoid small typos. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.